time for some after-school fun. In this video today, guys, we're going to be cleaning out my dad's 3rd gen Dodge. So the other day while I was at home, laying in bed, I found a 5th gen Dodge about 30 minutes away from where we live. We were looking for a pickup to replace this pickup with, and I found it. I showed my dad it, and he was like, that's a pretty nice pickup, and it was in a good price range. I've also found another pickup, but there was like a 10 grand difference. So I went and looked at while I was at the dentist the other day, and Dad decided he was interested, so he bought it. So we're gonna take everything out of the 3rd gen, and the cats are hungry, I think. Yum yum. So this is what the back seat looks like at the moment. And more junk. So Dad's farm truck pretty much has everything you could ever need to fix anything. The only problem is you gotta find it. That's the real problem, is trying to find it. And you find cool gadgets, like the multi-tool.
Grease.
Yeah. Ucky. Yeah. A glove covered in, 2 gloves covered in grease. Yuck. Progress is being made. I need to take out the radio.
My dad is so smart, unlike my brother. Copyright.
Looking better. Looking better. There's still a lot of work to go. And there goes my scooter. Yeah. Still a lot to go. Still a lot to go. It's a very dirty pickup. And I need to get a vacuum. And then I need to pretty much return a whole closet worth of winter clothes to my dad's, or back to our house. And yeah, I'll record my brother here. $18 miles an hour, or 19 miles an hour, and 18 miles range. So.
Ciao.
And more trash. And more trash. So Dad, I just talked to Dad. Was like, well, if you're that close to being done, I'll take it up there tonight. So I guess we're just gonna take the pickup truck up there tonight, and then I guess bring the new one back some other time. We got the Tahoe's getting worked on at that place at the moment, so I'm over at the house. I'm returning my scooter and returning tons of clothes. Then I'm gonna head back over to the farm, and we're gonna take out the fuel tank, the toolbox, and the air compressor with the help of my brother and a skid steer. And we'll see how easy that goes. Hard to think that this is the last time I'm gonna see this truck on this farm. It's been here for quite a while. I don't really know. Dad's had one truck that I can remember before this truck, or at least I know he had trucks before that last one, but not that I remember. But it's a little muddy beside this trailer. I think the skid steer will be fine. We're gonna pick up this toolbox, set it on the trailer. Then I think with the air compressor, pick it up, hopefully with the pallet forks. Set it up against that, because if not, it's gonna have to go. It's gonna lean up against something. It has to. And the fuel tank, it's got bolts that hold it towards that way, so we gotta take those out. And then that'll be it. Yeah? You think we can get that out? Yeah. Well, we got the toolbox off the truck, but Aiden could not pick it up. his side, so gonna have to use it this way. Just have him slide it off the pallet forks instead of me tipping it. And there we go. Good to go. I might have made a big mistake by it's still strapped in there and I got underneath of it, and my brother is too worried about his cockaburs instead of undoing it. So I might have made a mistake. If you made it this far into the video, I hope you guys are enjoying it. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new around here, and back to the video. There's just always new things to do on the farm every day. Today I've been a car cleaner man, or a truck cleaner man, whatever you want to call it. It was like I was making one of those TikToks where they detail the truck or the car. But in this case, I didn't even detail it. I just took everything out of it. Still looks disgusting. Do you think it's good to go? Well, we'll see if we're ready. So I got that done. I think it's way more solid on this side, so probably better to remove the fuel tank now with that. I think there's bolts I gotta take off, and then we pull it up. So, yay. So we have officially got the tank out. That was a little sketchy. It was my chaining up job, so still it was a pretty sketchy job I did there, but yeah. I got a cough and it's annoying the crap out of me. And I'm just gonna watch my brother undo the chains and to celebrate the victory of us being done cleaning this truck out. She is officially naked. So, hoo-ha. Whenever I was pulling the tank up, I told Aiden to pull forward so that I didn't want to hit the truck with the tank. But yeah, officially empty and officially not going to be ours before probably tomorrow. Gonna go ahead and grind these off the grinder so that they're not on here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. So pickup we're gonna be getting next Monday, so I'll have a video on that whenever it gets here. But for now, we got the truck cleaned out, and it's already at the dealer because my mom's Tahoe is getting worked on. It had transmission problems. So last night, Dad went up there with his pickup. So they're kind of looking over his pickup, gonna give Dad an estimate on how much he's gonna get out of it, and we'll go from there. The truck that is up there is got our name on it, so we're waiting for Monday so we have all the titles and all the information on my dad's white truck, because Grandma and Grandpa are gone and they've got everything at their house, but it's locked up and everything, so we can't get to it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if you're new around here, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.